Good evening, I'm Princess Dayan Rias. I will discuss how to compute the distance and height on Excel. To start, we click the column B, row 2. Then we encode the word velocity. To start, we click the column B, row 2, then encode the word velocity. Followed by the word angle on column B, row 3. Sa column C naman, row 2, ilalagay natin yung data natin na 70. At sa row 3, 44. Then in column B, row 5, I encode the word time. And column C, time. And in column D, distance.
In column C na,
In column C,
3, distance.
in column C, distance. And column D, time. Then next, I will encode the number of data or time performed in column D, row 6 to row 16. It is 1 to 10. 0 to 10.
Sarap ng mataba. Makahina.
Then now, I will encode the formula that will solve the distance traveled and time. It is in column C, row 6. I will encode the formula C, equal sign, C, dollar sign, to asterisk, cosine, close open parenthesis, radians, open parenthesis, C, dollar sign, 3, close parenthesis, dalawa, asterisk, and
Then drag.
drag down the active cell so that it will solve the following distance. Then, pipindutin natin yung edit, down, sa height naman, yung formula is equal sign, C, dollar sign, 2, asterisk, sign, open parenthesis, radians, open parenthesis, C, dollar sign, 3, close parenthesis na dalawa, asterisk, B6, minus 0.5, asterisk, 9.81, asterisk, B6, and raised to 2. Then, katulad din sa ginawa natin sa distance, itadrag na din natin pababa. Then, pipindutin na niya na yung edit down. Katapos nun, itadrag natin yung distance and height. Then, insert. I-click natin yung insert. Column chart. Scatter. Then, pipili na tayo kung anong gusto natin. Okay. Yan na yung chart natin sa distance and height. Yung height is yung velocity. Sa height, ay yung vertical natin ay yung height and yung horizontal natin ay yung distance. Thank you.